Want your makeup to look like this? Just keep watching. Hey, welcome back to the Anumas. This is a flawless evening makeup tutorial with Prophetess Josephine Enuma. In the first clip, you saw Mama putting on her primer on her face and followed by the foundation base. Here, as you can see, there is a lighter concealer around the eyebrows, bridge of the nose, on top of the lip, on the chin, under the cheekbones and under the eyes, as these are the naturally lighter and highlighted features on a woman's face. And then Mama goes in with the translucent powder to set the highlighted areas to ensure that they are set, and also it ensures that these areas are mattified as well, so they pop during production or when you're taking pictures as well. Mama goes in with her powder just to buff away the translucent powder, and this is done with her natural shade powder to ensure that the translucent powder is not too bright but just sets right and blends in perfectly, as you can see. Then Mama goes in with her eyebrow pencil just to kind of buff in her eyebrows a little bit, just in case the powder got in her eyebrows, and then to put like a lip balm on top as well, just to ensure that the lips are well moisturized. Then a lighter color, more of a goldish color, all over the eyelid. And Mama was speaking to Apostle at the time, as you can see, and then went in with a darker shade on the outer corners of her eyes, going into the crease of her eyelids, and then just blended everything out together. Then put mascara on just to ensure that the lashes are elongated. Then the beautiful head scarf to top it all off. And as you can see, this is what the makeup looked like during Apostle John Enuma's birthday gathering. Flawless, as you can see in the pictures, sets right. As you can see, the highlighted areas blends in well with the rest of the face. Isn't it just beautiful?
So much for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do so right this very minute, and watch out for upcoming next videos. Thank you and God bless. Bye.